Welcome to another amazing wildlife adventure. Today, we're taking a close-up look at one of nature's most incredible insects, the green katydid. At first glance, it looks just like a leaf, but this fascinating creature has evolved amazing survival skills. The green katydid belongs to the bush cricket family. Its bright green body and leaf-like wings help it blend perfectly into trees and bushes. This natural camouflage protects it from birds, reptiles, and other predators. Katydids are mostly active at night. During the day, they remain hidden among leaves. They feed mainly on leaves, flowers, and soft plant parts. Sometimes, they also eat small insects. Did you know that male katydids produce sounds by rubbing their wings together? They use these calls to attract females. Their powerful hind legs also allow them to jump impressive distances to escape danger. Sri Lanka is home to many beautiful species of katydids. These insects play an important role in maintaining healthy ecosystems and remind us how incredible nature truly is. If you enjoyed this close-up wildlife video, please like, share, and subscribe for more amazing nature and wildlife content from Sri Lanka. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next adventure. Subscribe for more amazing wildlife videos. Like, comment, subscribe, share.